Hello to our favorite audience of Twinkle Thomas Food TV. Today we're going to make an amazing summer cookie cake, for which we need to start by making the creme for that. And we need 200 grams of butter to be mixed properly with vanilla and condensed milk. Mix it properly, and now we are going to make the first layer of our cake by putting into the bottom of it some cookies and adding some creme on the top of that. This is a very easy recipe. All you need to do is making the creme for it, in fact, and later just wait a couple of hours, but you don't need to do anything during that. So you can here use any kind of fruit. We have decided to decorate with peach and some cherries, but you can choose anything like strawberries or anything else that goes good with the creme. So go on and choose anything that is under your hands and you have at home. So whenever done, put the second layer of it. Again, go on and put some cookies, and we are going to repeat this as many times as you have some creme left. And here it is. Put it again, some creme in it. And whenever you are done with all of the steps and you don't have any more creme, you can just decorate it with the fruits that you have, and you are going to put it into the refrigerator. It is better to put it into the refrigerator for more than 3 hours. During that, the cookies will be totally soaked into the cream, and you will not even you will enjoy it totally. So